Hello, welcome to Farmer Geeks We Grow Together channel. We let you know about blueberries cultivation and its benefits. Blueberries are personally flowering plants of genus Vaccinium that are usually grown for their dark berries. These berries can be consumed as raw, added to breakfast, baked goods, and yogurt cuts or made into jams. Blueberries have incredible nutrition and health benefits. Blueberries are not only popular but also repeatedly ranked in US diet as having one of the highest antioxidants properties. These berries are native to North America. In India, blueberry farming is very limited and there is a huge future potential for commercial blueberry farming due to its excellent health benefits. Blueberries have successfully started growing in India with correct cultivation practices. For sure, blueberries farming will have a bright future in India. Health benefits of blueberries. Blueberries are the excellent source of antioxidant foods. Blueberries are low in calories and high in nutrients. Blueberries may help in protecting against aging and cancer. Blueberries can help in maintaining brain function. Blueberries protect cholesterol in the blood from become damaged. Blueberries may lower blood pressure. Blueberries may help reduce muscle damage after strenuous workout. Blueberries can have anti-diabetic effects. Blueberries may help fight urinary tract infections. Blueberries may help in preventing heart diseases. Climate required for blueberry farming. Blueberries can grow on the wide range of climatic conditions. However, they best thrive in warmer, full sun climates. When you are ready for farming, you should check with the nearest horticulture department for suitable cultivar for your area climatic conditions. Soil requirements for blueberry farming. Blueberry crop prefers soil which have highly acidic, fertile, aerated, moist and well drained. The optimal soil pH ranges in 4.0 to 5.5 for best growth and yield. In case higher pH, adding a small amount of sulfur to the soil can reduce the pH of the soil. Before starting blueberry cultivation, go for soil testing. Propagation in blueberry farming. Propagation can be done through seeds, hardwood cuttings. Land preparations. Planting in blueberry farming. Land should be leveled and ploughed till it attains the fine title stage. Main field should be made weed free. Plant spacing should be 80 centimeters in between rows and 3 meters SLs. Blueberries planting can be done any time during the year provided there is sufficient irrigation available. 1 year of 2-year plants grow in a 1 liter of 3.5 liter container should be planted in the main field. The preferred stem length is 15 to 25 centimeters and 25 to 45 centimeters. Pitch should be dug 10-inch deep just before 2 weeks of planting the trees. Pitch should be dug out of the square about 1 meter across to give the side spreading roots. The soil taken out from the pits should be mixed with equal parts of leaf mold, coco pit or composite. Pruning in blueberry farming. Generally, blueberry plants are a bush type of grow stems. From its crown. Usually, the number of productive sum should be 9 to 12. Pruning should be carried out every year by removing cans that are 5 to 6 years old. One should not allow the blueberry bushes to produce fruits for the first couple of years. Pinch back blossoms. These will help to stimulate the growth of the plant. Pruning should be carried out in later winter, preferably just before growth begins. During the initial 4 years period, there is no need of pruning. Plant protection in blueberry farming. Generally, blueberry plants are resistant to pests and diseases. The main problem is these berries are favorite food for birds, so avoid birds in the arcades by adding nets around the plants. Especially this is needed at the time of fruiting, that is in June. Irrigation in blueberry farming. Irrigate the plants immediately after transplanting in the field. Blueberry plants should be irrigated once a week. Rainwater is better than the tap water as it is more alkaline in nature. In long dry spell weather conditions, it may require frequent irrigation based on soil moisture holding capacity. Interrexual operations in the blueberry farming. Weeding should be carried regularly by removing the dry damaged leaves to control the weeds. Plants basins should be kept clean and use any kind mulch in a spring season along with any fertilizer made for acid loving trees. Mulching will save the water loss, controls the weed growth, protects the soil from erosion, and mulching material will become rotten organic fertilizer. Mulching can be done with a 2 to 3 inch layer of wood chips or sawdust after planting. Removal basal growth as half of the fruiting and flowers starting at the basin. Remove all fruits that are growing on the lower portion of the plants to make the plants stronger, especially to make the root system strongly. Manures and fertilizers in blueberry farming. The use of compost in blueberries farming has many potential benefits. Well rotten farmyard manure FMY like cow dung should be supplemented at the time of land or soil preparation, as blueberry plants love acidic soils. Look for high acid blueberries. Bush fertilizers can contain ammonium sulfate, ammonium nitrate, or sulfur coated urea. This tends to have a lower pH, higher acid. Fertilizers should be applied in the spring before the leaves have grown in. Harvest in blueberry farming. Blueberry plants will start producing fruits from the second or third season of the growth. The plants produces berries once a year. Harvested fruits can be marketed as fresh as canned, frozen. After harvesting the berries, all cans had produced berries should be removed. Usually harvesting will start in month of August through September. Don't pick the blueberries as soon as they turn blue and wait for the couple of days when they ready to harvest. They should fall off right into your hands. The yield in the blueberry farming. The fruit yield depends on many factors like variety, soil type, irrigation, weather conditions. Generally in blueberry farming,